Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to preview your project in full screen in DaVinci Resolve 18. For this, let's say I have two clips and a transition right here. But for me, this little window here is just too small. What you want to do to see your video in full screen, just click on the clip and then hit Command plus F on Mac or Control plus F on Windows. Command plus F, and then you can let it go and then just hit the space bar and you can see the video starts playing and you see your project in full screen. Okay, that was a little hack on how to preview your project in full screen in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.